Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this beautiful holiday season is upon us and it's the right time to get baking this Christmas fruit cake. Also, this is a non-boozy version, so it's kid friendly, and also the best part, you can make this instantly without soaking the berries for over a month. So let's get baking. First add tutti frutti, some whole cranberries along with some mixed nuts and raisins and some chopped apricots in a bowl. I know generally these berries are soaked in rum or cherry brandy for over a month, but here I'm adding orange juice just to make it kid friendly. Soaking it up for just 30 minutes really make them really plump and they get all the flavors of orange juice. Simmer away over very low heat in a saucepan. Next add some molasses, some cubed unsalted butter and some vanilla extract. Give it on a quick stir so that the butter starts melting away and simmer for 20 minutes. Next, I'll add a whole cinnamon stick and star anise to it so that it gets all Christmassy, fragrant like. It's gonna taste so delicious in the end. Also, zest away some orange zest into it and let it simmer for 10 more minutes. For the dry ingredients, I'm adding all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, some cinnamon, ginger, and some ground cardamom in a bowl. I'll whisk it all using a sieve and add it to a bowl. Whisking away the dry ingredients make the cake really moist and fluffy. Once you've whisked away the dry ingredients, remove the cinnamon stick and star anise from your simmering saucepan of berries and cool the down mixture and add it into your mixed dry ingredients. Mix the berry mixture with the dry mixture using a spatula. Also pour in some orange juice. This will make it more special and delicious and also moist at the same time. Once you've mixed all these dry and wet ingredients together, it's time to crack in 2 large eggs into it and also add a pinch of baking powder and a pinch of sea salt. Bring it all together using a spatula and transfer it to a lined baking dish and bake for 30 minutes at 1 degree Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And there you go, this Christmas fruit cake is baked and ready. I know generally no frosting is added over a Christmas fruit cake, but just to make it extra special and holiday like, I decided upon making this cream cheese frosting and adding it over this fruit cake. It looks so special and gourmet like, just like you get in all bakeries during Christmas, right? Also, I'll top with some fresh fruits. You can use any fresh fruits you have at home. I like to top with some mandarin, some chopped kiwis and pomegranate seeds, and also to make it extra special, I'm also adding some golden baubles. You can add any Christmas sprinklers of your choice because it's Christmas and the holiday season and a little extra glistening is what everybody needs right now. So cut it into slices and dig in because this one is not going to last in your home for a very long time. If you want to make the boozy version, you can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Also, don't forget to join me on my 30-day Christmas recipe series where you'll find more such easy and really quick Christmas desserts which are so easy to make and everyone will love it. Have a great holiday and a great Christmas, everyone.